Example D, 6 over 7 divided by 8. Well, 8 can be written as 8 over 1. And since we're dividing, we're going to change this division to multiplication and write this as 1 over 8. So we have 6 over 7 times 1 over 8. And then we can simplify. So 2 can go into 6 3 times. 2 can go into 8 4 times. So 3 times 1 is 3. And 7 times 4 is 28. For part E, we have 8 and 6 as the denominator. So the LCD between 6 and 8 is 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 6 times 4 is 24. And 5 times 4 is 20. So adding them together, we get 9 plus 20, which is 29 over the common denominator of 24. For part F, we have 6 over 1 plus 5 over 6. The LCD between 6 and 1 is 6. So, since the LCD is 6, 1 times 6 is 6, 6 times 6 is 36. And on this side, we know that we have just 1. So times 1 over 1. So 5 times 1 is 5, 6 times 1 is 6. 36 plus 5 is 41 over a common denominator of 6. Next, we have 5 over 9 minus 2 over 7. The LCD between 7 and 9 is 63. So the new denominator is 63 and 63. Well, 9 times 7 gives you 63. So therefore, 5 times 7 is 35. Minus 7 times 9 gives you 63. So 2 times 9 is 18. 35 minus 18 is 17 over 63. 3/4 minus 1/2. The LCD between 2 and 4 is equal to 4. So the LCD is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, so we get 1/4. Over here, we have 234 over 467 divided by 234 over 467. Since we're dividing, we need to change this to a multiplication and take the reciprocal of this fraction. So we have 234 over 467 times 467 over 234. We can simplify the 234s to make those 1. 467 goes into 467 one time, which 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, so 1 over 1 is equal to 1. In the next example, we have 479 over 258 minus 479 over 258, which is equal to 0. 2 over 7 times 7 over 8. Well, 2 and 8 have 2 in common, so 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 8 4 times. And 7 goes into 7 one time. So we have 1 times 1, which is 1, and 1 times 4, which is 4. The last one here on this page, 3/5 divided by 7/9. We change the division to multiplication, take the reciprocal of 7/9 to be 9 over 7. So there's nothing for us to simplify. So 3 times 9 is 27, and 5 times 7 is 35.